Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify admin, manage. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.shopify.com and press enter. On the Shopify homepage, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. In the next field, input your password. After entering both your email and password, click the login button. Once you successfully log in, you'll be taken to the Shopify admin dashboard. To manage your online store products, look for the Products tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on the Products tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the products currently in your store. To add a new product, click that Add Product button located at the top right. Fill in the product details, including title, description, and price. You can also upload product images by clicking on the designated image upload area. To set inventory levels, scroll down to the inventory section and input your quantities. If applicable, configure the shipping settings for the product. Once you've entered all necessary information, click the Save button to keep your changes. To edit an existing product, simply click on the product from the list. Make your desired adjustments and remember to click Save once you're done. After managing your products, you can navigate back to the Shopify admin dashboard by clicking Home in the left-hand menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.